I hope he's a lousy pitcher. Make a pitch that he can hit it. Don't give him those fast low balls or high balls. Give him a whiskey sour. Hey, there he goes. Come on, get a run. Oh, he's out. Well, he's on base at least. See? You see what happens when I go like that? See?
They call that a sacrifice bunt.
I don't care what the heck you call it. All I know is they're doing something. It's better than nothing. Striking out completely. The only thing, he didn't make it to the base.
That's Derek Jeter.
Huh?
That was Derek Jeter. You know Derek Jeter?
Oh, Derek. You mean Derek? Oh, not Derek Shooter again. What, Derek? What's the last name? Shooter?
Jeter.
Oh, Jeter. Derek Jeter. Oh, yeah. Remember I said, what kind of name is that?
Is he good?
Look at this guy. Jacoby sounds like one of the lawyers. Jacoby and something. Jacoby Ellsbury. What kind of name is Jacoby for a first name? That should be a last name, Jacoby. What do they call him? Jake for short?
They do call him Jake, actually.
Well, what else could they call him? They can't call. And this one, she's going to name her kid Skylark.
Who?
Skylar. So what are you going to call him? Sky?
Is that a bad thing?
And Guys and Dolls, Marlon Brando played Sky Masterson. Yeah, he played, his name was Sky.
I know, I was in the play.
Oh, you were in the play. I saw that movie, I don't know how many times.